These poppies are from my dad's house many years ago, and they're one of the few plants I have from his garden since he passed away in 1982. And they've been growing here in my front yard ever since. And they seem to come back every year from both the main plant, and they also drop seedlings, and the bloom is better in some years than other. And I think that they do benefit a lot from a lot of water. It's nearby the hose here, and there's also a lot of organic material. I try to add leaves and bark chips when I can, and these blooms are about as big as the palm of your hand. And they bloom early in the spring, and then they die back to the ground in July. And then in August, a small seedling, or it appears to be a seedling, it's a small plant, comes up in the same location for the fall, and then it dies down to the ground in winter. And that's a seed head you see right there. And then it comes back in the spring. I give them plenty of organic material, and I also use some fertilizer sometimes, some Miracle Grow, which is about what I use always. And I water all my plants. I give them all plenty of water. I think that helps. So that's what I do for my poppies. And if I want to transplant them, I transplant mine if I want to move them early in the spring. I think these poppies are kind of hard to move. Here I'm digging one up in May, the 1st of May, first week of May, and like always, I try to keep the dirt clumped together as close as possible without it breaking up. And I've already dug the hole, as you can see right here, and then I go back and fold it at ground level and fill in around it. And in this location here, it only gets morning sun, and it's nice and cool from the foundation. So this is usually one of the locations I use to plant things, like if I have to dig up something in July or some hot part of the year, or I don't have any place to transplant it where I think it will survive. And right here I'm putting organic material around it after I've planted it. And my mulch that you see right here, I make that with bark chips and grass clippings that are composted together or mixed together. I don't have them completely composted. And I hope this helps, and if so, please give my channel a like and subscribe. And thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.